Hi guys, thank you for visiting Simple Cooking with Julia Wright. Healthy breakfast with weird name like pregnant tomato is going to take just 5 minutes of your morning time to get it cooked. So let's make it! First of all, cut off the top of the tomato and get rid of the tomato pulp. It can be a little bit tricky. Then we need to crack an egg inside of this tomato cup that we just made and salt and pepper it up to your taste. I will be filling my tomato with some fresh parsley and green onions. You may also want to chop some bacon or anything else that you want to have in your breakfast and place it all on top of your egg. I cannot imagine my breakfast without cheese, so I'm gonna shred some and place it on top of my meal. At the very end, I add some more of parsley and green onions, and now we are ready to send it to cook. Set a timer on your microwave for about 2.5 minutes, and now you have all this time for your morning meditation. Time is up, let's check what did we get here. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful! I'm sure that children would be excited to have such breakfast. And besides that, I think this breakfast idea is really great. Tomato keeps all the filling inside of it, and even if you don't have enough time to have breakfast at home, you can easily pack it in your lunchbox and have it somewhere else without making a mess around you.